Welcome to Delwebb's Southern Harmony neighborhood here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And the big news is all 6 model homes are now out of the ground. Stick around because I'll tell you exactly what those floor plans are, as well as 4 other floor plans that they're going to be offering in this fantastic 55 and over community here in Murfreesboro. Let's go. As you can tell, they've been making a lot of progress here in Southern Harmony, and all 6 model homes are going to be available for you to walk through personally at the end of October. They still need to solidify a date, but Delwebb is planning what they're calling a Dusty Shoe Tour, where you as a prospective buyer will be able to come and physically walk through these model homes. There's no guarantee that there's even going to be drywall on the walls at that point. I have a feeling some of them may even be further along than that, but whatever stage of construction they are at that point, sometime late in October, the plan as of now is to be able to tour these model homes. Let me just say that if you're considering buying in this wonderful new community, or any new construction for that matter, I highly encourage you to make sure you've got a full-time real estate professional that has a background in new construction working on your behalf for your best interest. The salespeople at Delwebb and other new construction, other developers, other builders are great people, friendly people, knowledgeable people, but their fiduciary responsibility is to the builder, not to you. So please make sure from contract to closing that you've got somebody working on your side full-time, making sure that everything goes smoothly according to plan, and you can take full advantage of any incentives that the marketing team may have to offer. It doesn't cost you any additional money, and it may cost you more money on the back end if you realize that something wasn't done that you expected to be done, especially if you don't live in the area already. So let's start talking about these model homes. There are 6 available model homes here in Southern Harmony, and in order of size, these 6 floor plans are the Compass, the Hallmark, the Mystique, the Prestige, the Stardom, and the Renown. So right here at lot 1, you can see the Renown floor plan, which is starting at 2,712 square feet. Now, all of these floor plans are going to have options and upgrades where you can add, say, a Florida room, or some of the floor plans most likely will have an option for a second story, or what they call a loft. All those details I do not have in stone at the moment, and these floor plans are coming from other places in the country where Delwebb has already built these floor plans. So please know that when they start building them here in Middle Tennessee, these are all new floor plans to the Nashville area, so they may vary from region to region. Most of those variations are going to be on the exterior of the building, but for the most part, these floor plans are going to be very similar, if not identical, to what you see here in this video today. So the Renown floor plan here at lot 1 starts at 2,712 square feet and may go up from there. Here at lot 2, you see the Stardom floor plan, and this floor plan starts at 2,179 square feet. Here at lot 3, you see the Prestige. The Prestige floor plan has 1,987 square feet. Here at lot 4 is the Mystique floor plan, and you can see a pattern that as we increase in these lot numbers, the size is actually going down. So in true model home fashion, they've put the biggest home out front that you see first as you come around the roundabout and to the area of the neighborhood here where we've got the model homes. But at lot 4, the Mystique floor plan will be starting at 1,809 square feet. Here at lot 5, we've got the Compass floor plan. Now, the Compass floor plan is one of the smallest that they're going to be offering here in the neighborhood, and its square footage starts at 1,403 square feet. So 1,403 square feet, the Compass floor plan. last but not least, here at Lot 6 is the Hallmark. Now the Hallmark floor plan square footage will start at 1,581 square feet, and possibly go up from there if you add on additional room options that they may have here in the neighborhood. Now Southern Harmony is also offering 4 other floor plans that they are not building model homes for. In order of size, those floor plans are going to be the Contour, which starts at 1,405 square feet, the Prosperity floor plan, which starts right at 1,600 square feet. At 1,858 square feet, we've got the Palmery floor plan. Now comment below, because you tell me, how do you pronounce this? Palmery? 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 And one of the larger floor plans that will be available here in Southern Harmony that does not have a model home is the Stellar floor plan, and that floor plan starts at 2,483 square feet. So if you would like me to email you a PDF copy of all this information that I've compiled for the floor plans for these single family homes that are going to be offered here in Southern Harmony, just shoot me a text or an email with your email address. I'll be happy to send it out to you. And you'll be hearing some of this information directly from Delwebb. If you're not already on their VIP list, please sign up to do so. You may be prompted to fill in a blank that says, are you working with a real estate agent? Feel free to put my name in there. There's no obligation for you to do so. But again, I can't encourage you enough that you need somebody that's on your side from before contract and through closing to make sure somebody's looking out for your best interests. So thank you to those of you who have already reached out with questions and inquiries on this great property. The big question of how much are they going to cost? We don't know yet. And we won't know most likely until next year. I mean, it's just too early to solidify those numbers. So we don't know the prices of the houses. We also don't know what the monthly HOA fees are going to be in this neighborhood, but I assure you, as soon as we do, I will let you know here on the channel. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe below, and turn on the notification bell, and you'll get notified when I post new content. I hope you learned something. God bless. Bye-bye. And don't forget to put it on your calendar to be in town at the end of October so you can have the opportunity to walk through these model homes. I'll be happy to meet you there.